Hey guys, how are you? Craig here from out there touring. It's camp cook-up time again. Tonight I'm going to make it really simple. Greek style chicken butterfly, which I've already marinated at home and prepared. So that's just going to go straight on the barbecue, probably 20 minutes. I did this a few months ago with vegetables in the middle of winter, and I said if it's summer, this could be a summer cook-up where you just grab a Greek salad. So I've got the Greek salad, the Greek style chicken, butterfly chicken. Gonna whack that on the barbie, get that cooked up as quick as I can. Starting to lose light, so let's just get into it. So as I said before, nice simple cook up this one. All the preparation's done, just a bit of olive oil, a bit of oil on the pan. Grab yourself a drink, that's the most important thing. Chicken's already been marinated, the hot plate's hot. You want to make sure the chicken isn't folded under itself, so it's nice and flat, because it's a butterfly chicken. It'll cook evenly then. Right guys, this is a real simple cook up. So I did a lot of the preparation at home. So the Greek style chicken, it's marinated already, it's on the barbecue. Just got a quick Greek salad that we brought at the supermarket on the way in here. I was going to do chips on the side as well, so that's easy. Just grab a pan, get some oil hot, and then cook your chips. That's up to you. Just going to try to keep this one really simple tonight. Been eating all day, a few drinks in, and just trying to enjoy it. Right guys, the chicken's almost done. What I've done, because we're going to serve it up and we've got a few people here, is I've already cut it down into pieces. So there we have it guys, Greek style butterfly chicken with just a simple Greek style salad that we picked up on the way out here, rather than worrying about preparation, just to make it a bit easier. As I said, very simple cook up this one. Get the butterfly chicken on there, cook it, and the salad's already done. So yeah, give me some feedback, let me know what you think. Go grab a drink. It's probably a free bourbon cook up this one. There's nothing too difficult about it.